Hey guys, wanted to show you guys one of the ways that I use ChatGPT Voice. This definitely saves me a ton of time. Typing is almost not fast enough. And what I'm doing today is basically advancing my effort to become a chief executive human. And this might sound weird, but everybody should be focused on doing this. If you guys don't know what that is, definitely get the AI content creation course. I put 9 of them in there. It's worth at least $3,000. It's offered for 27 bucks, and it's literally fill in the blank, cut and paste, and you'll learn about Chief Executive Human, learn how to create your own agents. But in this instance, what I'm doing is using a AI architect. As a chief executive human, you want to be here, you want to have some humans, but those humans are basically using AI agents, or AI agents, if fully agentic, are basically doing the work, which is what is happening right now. So I'm going to talk to this thing, just have a conversation. It'll be a little messy, but it'll show you a little bit about how to use it. Yo, yo, what's up? My name is Anthony. I am the CEO of jewelrybox.ai. I am the host of the Bling Talks podcast and the AI ATM machine school community with 2,400 members inside of it. I also run an agency, and I also run my own internal marketing, such as social media. And I'm about to start a new podcast in the AI space. Um, and there's a couple things. I'm about to meet with an AI architect team in about 15 minutes, and there's just a couple items that I wanted to line out for them that would not distort them trying to get into our current systems, but are just little things that they could automate right off the bat. So I'm going to share a couple of those with you right now. Please kind of list them out so that I could share a couple examples with them. Stop and make sure it's not going crazy. All right. Now I'll take a couple. Pre-sales meeting, post-sales meeting, um, we call them dweebs. So once I train up an agent or a GPT, I'll call it a dweeb. And if you guys don't know, you have to be backing these things up or you'll just be shooting yourself in the foot. I also show you guys how to do that in the Cool on Your Way to 5K. All right. I also have content creation for AI ATM machine, socials, and repost pages. Automation. Sales meeting. Personal text day of meeting. Man, I wrote these down somewhere yesterday and I can't find them. Post meeting, let's say add Zoom to the GHL lead card, take meeting links or files, and send them to host meeting or sales agent to prepare a lovable presentation / agreement. So we'll give it this. I want to become a full chief executive human. I have pre-trained agents for the school community, jewelry box campaign creations. I have a sales meeting assistant and that should be updated since we have the new $27 offer. And I also started creating a lovable platform that has all my sales proposals on it, so we can add everything there, agreements that allow us to sell quicker. I need to have an orchestrating agent, possibly content marketing, social media agent, a sales agent, you name it. I use Go High Level, Canva, Opus, Instantly AI for cold outreach, Lovable for vibe coding, GHL for some landing pages, but I use Lovable for most now. I have all social media platforms, personal and company, but it's really messy and overlapping, to be honest. Let's see how it goes. Now it's going to create scopes that say an AI architect would be able to understand and work on. And then from here, I would obviously give these things a lot more information, and I have main brains for all my agents already. So you just want to think of these things as employees, essentially. Each GPT or agent is an employee. You give it all your SOPs, all of its learning, et cetera, but you don't want to be doing it. If you're going every day to new GPT, you're wasting time and probably having them fail, and just you have to reteach them every day. If you are doing that, definitely I cover it in there. If you've ever felt like you don't know where to start, or there's so many damn tools that you don't know how to actually make money, that course covers that, plus how to clone yourself, clone your voice, make avatars, edit videos, and make viral clips with no editing. All you have to do is be able to fill in the blanks and cut and paste and upload the prompts and stuff that I provide. And it'll work for any business and any role. All right. So this is a good enough list. Hopefully that shows you guys, number one, there's already pre-trained stuff out there, which I share in the Clone Your Way to 5K, a little bit on how to begin architecting yourself as a chief executive human. I'll keep you guys posted.